Hello. Welcome to a new training video. This training video is going to be expedited, super quick. No fancy fillers in this video. So go ahead and hop on Google Maps. You want to do social media marketing, right? Choose a state, choose a city, wherever you like, because you could do this virtually. Now, you could also go to wikipedia.com. You could just type in the list of United States cities by population, and then you can go down here and you could sort by populations over 100,000. Populations with over 100,000, generally speaking, need marketing and advertising to reach that amount of people, that amount of population density. Let's say you want 300,000 or more. Boom, just go down. Focus on 300,000 to, 1 million. Focus on that small range right there because people are in dire need of differentiation and they maybe don't know how to market in such a city so large. Maybe you want 100,000 to 300,000, but boom, there you go. Brownsville, Texas, Worcester, Massachusetts, Knoxville, Tennessee, Frisco, Texas. Now, with this information, you simply go over, let's say, Frisco, Texas. Now, if you were to choose one of my niches, one of my niche in social media marketing and advertising to generate further leads for car dealers, specifically used car dealerships, preferably, is to get them extra leads to get in the door. They'll pay for those leads anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 or more per month. About 30% of that would be actual ad spend, and 60% would be business service fees. All right, so Frisco, Texas. What are we looking for? We're looking for a used car dealership. Then once you get a used car dealership in Frisco, we're going to sort. We're going to sort by highest rated, which means they have a review. Then we're going to sort by what type of business they are. So specifically, they're a car dealership we're looking for. And shoot, usually there's used car dealerships in there, but looks like they do not have an option for used. So car dealer is totally fine. All right, so now we have that narrowed. How many do we have? We're going to scroll down. Oh, wow, that's really impressive that there's only 10. I feel like maybe I did something wrong. So used cars. Just type in used car, see if that helps, because I feel like those results were not big enough. Vehicle wraps. Nope, so that's it. Alrighty, we scroll down. So now we have 40. So maybe there's just not that many car dealerships in that area. Totally fine. But once you have this, you're simply going, this search area, you're going to copy that. In this app, it's app for your computer, ScrapeStorm. Just type in ScrapeStorm into here. And it's free to start. $100 a month if you want to scrape unlimited. You'll be able to scrape 100 leads per day for free. That's 3,000 leads per month. So you have 3,000 places to call or email per month for free. You're welcome. Download that. You'll be off and ready to go within about 5 minutes. All right, so long story short, create new group, smart mode, flowchart. These two are complicated. Smart mode is better, and I'll show you why. Copy, paste, create. Boom. This is going to start scanning the Yelp web page. It's going to start scanning every single little box here, documenting everything as an HTML layer. And then that layer is very easy for you to click on and add plus or minus and basically scrape that data on every single page. It's also smart where it knows where the next page, it already knows where all of that is. It makes it so much easier for you. So I'm going to go ahead and pause when it comes to completion, and we have our data on the bottom here as a baseline. Oh, looks like it's actually ready right now. Okay. So if you click on title, where is title? It's going to show you. So title is this area in red. Where's the title link? It's that area also. What's the thumbnail? It's this image. Well, we don't want the thumbnail image, so we can right click and delete the column. What's this? Oh, it's the phone number. So I like to just go ahead and keep the first two descriptors here, auto repair, transmission repair, and reviews. I want to know how many reviews they have or if they have any reviews at all, like this person does not. I don't care about the actual reviews themselves, so delete. The third column, don't care. The fourth column, oh, serving, what areas do they serve? I don't care about that either. And the fourth column for their specialty. Boom, there we go. So now we have everything. But if you wanted their website as well, what you can do is you can click right here. And as it says, it gives you a tutorial because I'm brand new at this, but I've already learned so quickly. You're going to go to scrape in because you want to click that link and scrape more information inside the Yelp listing. So what are you going to scrape? You're going to scroll down and you're going to scrape this right here. So what excess information are you going to be scraping? You're going to add a field and it's going to, what do you want to scrape? Boom, we want to scrape the website. So there we go, scraping the website. And that's it. So if you come back here, click Save, got it, start the scraping. Now, this is a free version, so you can't do faster interval loops and blah, 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 blah. You don't really have any options, so just click Start. I'll come back when it is finished. But as you can see, it's starting to do about 500 actions per second, and eventually it'll just start going boop, 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 and you'll get a bunch of leads within no time. Usually it takes about 10 minutes, depends on how many pages and how many things you're going to scrape. But keep in mind, you're only going to be able to scrape 100 and export 100. So far there's one. Alright, so this video is almost finished, but I just wanted to show you what it's got so far. So it looks like a lot in Texas are auto detailing and car washes so far. So it just keeps updating those and those and those and those. Maybe I did some incorrect check marks in here. Oh, yep, looks like I did actually. For some reason, I put auto detailing instead of car dealership. So make sure that you are selecting the right option there. So car dealers is what I should have selected there. So all of that data that I just scraped is basically, for the most part, useless, but you know, trial and error. And your only real limit is the ones that you export. So you can feel free to stop it at any time. You know, export later. So it's technically, it is saving these searches. So if you cannot export it today, you'll be able to export it tomorrow at least. So feel free to go through and create these scrapers for all of the cities remotely near you, and you will see success here. You'll just have to come back in to the ones that you have not exported, and then you can just export those free 100 leads, you know, tomorrow, the next day. So there you go. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you got some useful information from it, expedited in less than 10 minutes. I try to make it 5 minutes, but honestly, this task itself takes about 15 minutes, so you know, we'll be happy I was able to show it to you in less than 10 minutes. But yeah, you could do this yourself within 15 minutes or less. So please take massive action and start building your lead list. Go ahead and use ScrapeStorm for free. Go to yelp.com, narrow your target categories for the businesses you want to target, and start scraping your lead list to give a call, to give an email, to do whatever you need to do. Thank you very much. Feel free to like this video, leave a comment down below if you appreciate this video or if you have any questions. Have a great day.